Hi and welcome to another build video. In this video I will build a custom Volkswagen Up in 1/24 scale. It's the first time I built such a tiny car, but we shall see how it's gonna be. First, let's unbox it and let's take a look what we are working with. It's an official licensed product from Volkswagen. For such a tiny car, it's nicely detailed. So, let's take it apart, because we have to change the color, the wheels, the lights, the interior, and we have to close the sunroof. And of course, I want to add some lights. And when you are still watching this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Yeah, and put on your notifications bell. You help me a lot. The Up is going in a nice bath of paint stripper. It came out like this. So let's strip it more. Let's sand it and let's grind it with my Dremel. I really love that tool. It makes life a lot easier. After sanding, I decided to put it back in the paint stripper. And after this, I primed it a little bit to prevent corrosion. I closed the sunroof and I decided to put some more primer on it. After that, I put on some more Bondo to make it really smooth. This is after the final layers of primer. It's already looking shiny. And I'm going to prep it for the black base color. So back to sanding and making a rear wing for it, because the real car have it also. In the meanwhile, I'm changing the interior from white to grey, just like the real car. And while the interior was drying, I put the first coat of black on the car. It's already looking more like the real car. And then I did some printing to make some stickers for the seats, to make the pattern just like the real car. So when this is drying, I'm going back to the body. In the meanwhile, adding some more details like seat belts and an Up sticker on the dashboard. License plates, just like the real car, black emblems, a spoiler and some other tiny things. And black windows, of course, just like the real car. And then it was time to add some LED lights. Really tiny LED lights. But they work, and I get them in. It was really fiddly, and in the meanwhile the front window broke, so I have to make another one from scratch. But the lights are working. And the color turned out right. Black is a really hard color to spray paint, but it's looking okay. Now I'm going to wet sand it and polish it. And after that we put on some clear coat. And look, one black bastard. And when you're still watching this video, please subscribe, put on your notifications bell, like, share or comment. Now it's time to put the car back on its stand. Make the lights work, a new window in and put on the gold details. It even has a tiny light in the dashboard. And then the wheels had arrived in the mail. I didn't have any pictures or videos from the painting process, but as you can see, the wheels are fitting nicely. Some BBS replicas. Link in description where you can buy them. So, this was my first 1/24 scale build. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope I see you the next time. Please like, subscribe, share or comment. Put on your notifications bell. And I see you the next time. Bye bye.